Hi guys, we're here from Cargo in the Central West region, about half an hour out of Orange. We're at a farm where we have a weather station installed. So the weather station is a fully off-grid unit. It's got a solar panel that recharges a battery, and that setup then powers industrial grade, fully non-mechanical weather station sensing setup. So what's different with this compared to other units is that it's got a piezoelectric rain sensor, which means you don't have the problems of typical tipping bucket unit that gets clogged up with dust and other debris. Based on the feedback from our customer here at this farm, they've implemented a delta T value into it by calculating it from humidity and temperature. That value helps the customer to make decisions around spraying and stock movement or whatever else. That this unit can go up to 10 kilometers or more depending on terrain. So recently when one of our customers in Cargo was away, this particular weather station was being picked up by gateways that are, one gateway was 40 kilometers away and one gateway was 70 kilometers away. Now, it's not possible that in every instance that happens, but just goes to show the power of the wireless technology we use.